What's up, guys? We are back. We got some more goodies from Tackle Warehouse. We're gonna see what we got. So thank you for the boys at Tackle Warehouse for hooking it up. We got some goods. Lots of baits this time, guys. Lots of baits. Alright. Let's see what we got. All that crap. Nobody cares about that. Packaging stuff, whatever. Wait, was that a sticker? Hold on. There's a sticker in there. There was a sticker in there. We got a Tackle Warehouse sticker. Whoop, whoop. Heck yeah. Super jacked with that. Been wanting one. This is my second $50 order and I only got one. I even have both receipts to prove it. But I only get one sticker? What? They told me after $50 or more, which this was $53 or $54, and I didn't get no freaking extra sticker. So that was pretty bummed on that. But it's all good. We went ahead and got some of these new Jethro, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, Jethro baits. These are the Bug Tussle in the 4.5s. And we got it in a couple different colors, 3 different colors. So we got it in the sprayed grass, we got it in the tilapia. Let's see if you guys can see those or not. And then we got it in the Houdini. So all 4.5s, just different colors. Those are gonna be sweet. We got a couple bags of robo worms as well. So we got, let's see here. These are the little 3-inch Ned worms, and we got some in the black and white with like a sparkle to them. Hologram shad is the color, and then a prism shad in this kind of a purpley blue with a little bit of a green back to it. So those are pretty sweet. Should work out pretty well. Then we got some of these shooting ball jig heads from Hayabusa. So let's see. Can't see those guys super well, but we'll try to get one out really quick here so you guys can see them. Show them off a little bit better. Basically, I've been using jigs for quite a long time now, and been wanting something a little bit more weedless. So I went with these guys. I want to say they should be in a 1/4 ounce. I think that's what I got. I've been a really big fan of 1/4 ounce lately, and it's been working pretty good. So yeah, there's those guys with the weed guard on them. Look like a nice little setup. Not a super long hook though. Kind of bummed on that. The shank of that hook is not very long. But we're gonna cut these weed guards down just a tad. I don't know if you guys have ever done this, but if you take your jigs right out of the package, you're gonna want to cut that weed guard down just about right about there. Just that little tip you want to cut off. It'll still obviously guard from the weeds, but you'll hook up 10 times better with fish if you do cut that down just a tad. So big old plus on that one, in case you guys don't know. But yeah, those are them. They are sweet looking. So we're gonna got a bunch of those. I mean, like a bunch, because I needed some. So got those guys. We also got a pack of these. Let's see, what are these guys? The 3.5 little fuzzy in the from the Riot. I don't remember ordering these. Maybe I did. Okay, anyways. Maybe they threw them in. Who knows? Okie dokie. And then we got some Missle baits, guys. We got some more Missle baits. I got some in the candy grass color because it seems to work pretty dang good all over the place in a 25 pack. Because I go through them, guys. So, got it in a 25 pack. Oh, sorry. Had some more robo worms in there as well. Got these guys in Aaron's green pumpkin color. So, it looks pretty juicy, honestly. They're pretty hard to see on the camera there, but kind of a blue line with mainly a brown worm. Trying to get through this unboxing pretty quickly because I got a doctor's appointment to make too. but I wanted to show you guys the goods. Then we got some pink belly Missle baits. I love these Missle baits. Can't get enough of them, and they've been working great, and they have amazing action in the water. So big shout out to Missle baits for hooking it up. Also, next color is the Love Bug color, in that it's kind of a purpley with a red back to it. Looks really juicy. It's gonna work great. And last but not least, I've been needing a little bit better action worms, and kind of that baby bass color has been money during the spawn. So went ahead and hooked up with 2 bags of these tornado baits, and let's see, Hag's Tornado, and this is the baby bass color. You guys can see those, they look money. So went ahead and got 2 bags of those, and all the robo worms. We're gonna try out those jet throw baits as well. I think those are gonna be quite excellent, to be honest, to catch some pretty bigger fellas. So we're gonna try those out, along with all those Missle baits. We got our robo worms out the yin yang. Heck yeah! All right, guys. I will get back with you either later this evening or later this week, and get some content out for you. We've been fishing like crazy, so see you soon.